David, it's snow. How ironic. The only snow I see is in July. Time to piss in the woods. No, I said piss. Sick. Snow time. 4th of July snow. Slide down it. All right, David, how do we cross the river? Our creek of the melting snow that's going much faster than usual. Dude, there's been a tree here. Bro, we missed it. But this might be poison ivy, so I think we found a way. Ah, yes, he's made it. All right, I'm gonna put my phone in my pocket now. There's nothing but mud on the other side, but basically made it through, basically. Whew. That's because there's so much snow. It's all slush here.
Hold it.
This is... Oh, I caught it still. This is the great outdoors of America on July 4th, I guess. Across the creek, objective 2 is finding Sasquatch, or Sasquatch look-alike. Wow, with a lot more snow, what? Yeah, we could. I can feel my feet getting wet. Cool, I slid. Nice. This is nuts. I'm both hot and cold at the same time. I have no idea how that's possible. What? Oh, there's an animal there. Can you see them? There's some deer. How dramatic. Where are they going? Like, I'm right to us. Hey guys! Alright, so now about to head out. Bro! That was so cool. Oh man. You're gonna have a choice, your foot is stuck in there. You gotta embrace the great outdoors. Come on, slide down. No. You gotta walk down in a zigzag pattern. Bro, there's a big field here. That's pretty sick. Just ate a bunch of snow. Because I can. Wait, did you guys lose the football? Huh. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Y'all getting F in the chat. David stepped in the mud. You're venturing. Look at this. They're like trout in here and shiz. This is truly impressive. We'll be in that lake soon. At some point, eventually. Dude, the trolley's gonna have trouble. What is all that? Wait, horses? It smells so bad. Okay, but this is cool no matter how you slice it. Even if you live here, this is cool.
We went up there, we went like through the woods. We didn't even go in the fucking
shop. Oh man. Now there are two.
And the theft of lab equipment from your school is also
Breaking Bad.
our highest attention.
Look at these mountains. These people are ruining the mountains. Look at them.
Guys, Dave Marjorie coming back at you with another video today.
It's day 2 of Mammoth.
Just
And
jump on it.
Yeah.
oh, sick.
You're gonna eat it so
I know.
Actually, like, fully went on it.
Oh man. We're heading out.
That's anything?
About to head out.
Hopefully so. How come it doesn't say like the time anymore? It used to happen. What do you mean?
What?
Like it would say like 3:15 p.m.
Oh, you have to do it in stickers now. But look at this. Oh, Wow. It's only been a year since I had the exact same shot on video. Enjoy it again. Welcome back. David told me to vlog this, so that's what I'm doing. We're just skating. Oh wait, there's a skate park over there? That's sick. Maybe out here. Stranger Things time. David, can you eat anymore? Ah! Look at how peaceful this is. But David just ruined it. Oh man, wait, my skateboard's still in the car. Sponsored, not sponsored. Bonson's Cherry Vanilla, specifically, and all of Bang products. Headed to the fireworks. Are you hyped?
So hyped.
David, I think that was a contradiction. I don't know what else to say. There's a trolley there, I guess. Oh, here we are. It's a bunch of fireworks. I don't know what I expected. But I think this is it.
Zach, this is a
And now they're playing music. That's pretty alright, I guess. Yeah.
No, I can't say. I don't know what I just
How many Omans? How many Omans are there?
$45,000.
Alright, well tell me how many Omans there are.
64. Omans.
Omans. Omans on top of the Omans with Omans inside of the
Inside
Omans?
an Oman sandwich on top of the lettuce with the Omans on a tomato, and that is an Oman of the pan.
We should just make a song called Oh Man.